is okay. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Leslie Nicole. I do weekly videos for you guys, and today I wanted to be light and bright. But we got this amazing package, you guys. So let's unbox this together. If you guys are new here, welcome. Leslie Nicole, I think I said that already. Weekly videos for you guys, and today I just wanted to sit down, chit chat, and all the things. So let's get into it. All right. So as you guys know, I am a Beyond Yourself ambassador, athlete, whatever you want to call it. I represent them and they represent me. So it's really exciting. So let's get into this package, you guys. Oh my God, I'm dying. So we got, where are you? There we go. The guinea pigs are drinking water, if that's what you're hearing. Amino Q. BCA and confidence enhancing nootropic formula. This is the big boom. What is it called? Red, white, and boom. And I really wanted to try this flavor, so we got it. So excited. You guys, I'm dying right now. Okay, next one is Superset. So I haven't had any pre-workout. So this is Superset Maximum Vasodilating Pump and Pre-Workout Formula in Grape White North. Where are you? Right there. This flavor is bomb.com, like the bomb. And Eric, the owner, says that this is his favorite flavor. And then the AmRamp that I got from our Popeye sale, he loves that too. But this, for me, I love this flavor and excited. What else do we have? Oh yeah! You have another guy. Look at all that stuff. We have another AmRamp, you guys, adding to my collection. This is Coconut Breeze. I'm so excited because summer is coming and I need some drinks that are perfect for summer and drinks that I can sip on when, you know, when I'm exercising super hard, you know, all the things. So we're going to do that. I'm really pumped about that. You guys, this is the big one. I can't believe that they allowed a 5-pounder. I was like, yes, you are going to send me this. So you guys, if you guys have not already, peanut butter chocolate. This is the best, hands down. Isolate chocolate peanut butter flavor concoction. I'm telling you, I'm so excited that I got this back in my possession. So excited. So excited. So last but not least, I got a tank top. And this is also Under Armour, which is amazing and crazy. So we got in a size large. Hopefully this fits, because I'll be really sad if it doesn't, but I will wear this out to Montreal, and I'm pumped about it. So again, there we go, Beyond Yourself. So if you guys don't know already, make sure you guys go head up the link down below, or go to beyondyourself.com and put in Lifestyle of Leslie, and you get 20% off at checkout. Not a 10%, it's a 20%. So I think that's amazing. So please do that for me. And that's it. You guys, super pumped. Thank you so much, Beyond Yourself, for sending these to me. I love that I got to pick all of them, and I'm super pumped to have like my whole collection. I made space for it in the kitchen. So that's really exciting for me. But yeah, if you go to the link, the link will automatically check it out, or will automatically add to checkout. So it will automatically give you that discount. If not, just put Lifestyle Leslie in there. I really want to do really good in sales, and I really want to prove them that we can do this as a family. But anyways, I don't know if that should be it for the video. It's very short. I do have to clean my brushes. I'm going to Montreal, if you guys are not aware. Let's put this stuff away. So, if you guys were not aware, I'm going to Montreal, and I'm very excited. And I have neglected my makeup brushes. So, what I was thinking of doing is bringing my makeup brushes out here, because I need to separate them. They need to dry, you know, have ample of time. So, what I'm going to do is get all set up, clean my brushes, and we're going to chat about this weekend. We're going to chat about a lot of things. And a lot of things on my mind, and yeah, we're gonna go from there. So BRB. I am back, and we turned off the lights, so hopefully that makes it better. I apologize for earlier. It's just that it got really dark, It's like in and out of clouds. It's like raining. It's like raining, being super lame. So these are all my brushes that I need to clean, and I need to set aside. I need to get brush cleaner. This is all I have. I know. It's sad. So I don't know what I was saying. My camera, this camera, I love it so much, but it gives me so much grief, and I don't understand. Like, I really can't afford a new one, and I just genuinely hope it gets better. But we don't know. We'll see how this goes. If not, I'll just have to stop the video. But anyways, so I leave for Montreal next week. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, this is like so terrible. I leave very, very soon. So I'm going to have to lay out all the stuff, that is needed for the trip. But yeah, how was your weekend, you guys? Did you guys have a good one? Was it eventful? Father's Day, let's talk about it. I don't understand, like, co-parenting is so hard. Especially when that person, like, literally tells your daughter they hate you. I don't understand that. So, because I don't hate him. I just genuinely want it to work for the kids. I don't care what you do in your life, but, like, why are you so angry? You laughed, you know? Like, it's crazy. But, other than that, things are good. You know, working through... Workouts are good. Hit a new low today in weight. So excited. I see Coach this weekend, and I go for my 5K run Saturday, which I'm so excited about. And what else? I'm slowly but surely packing up my stuff for Montreal. I kind of went shopping, but I might return some stuff. Because I genuinely like it, but I love the clothing I picked out. I have to figure out my outfits, and I think that's what's going to make me, like, not more excited, but kind of like that, when it comes down to, planning my outfits and whatever. I'm just excited to go. I think it's going to be nice time away. I'm really excited. Like, the bride, she provided us with, like, sandals. So she's like, don't bring shoes. There's sandals there she bought. So I'm like, wow, that's so nice. So, yeah, I'm really excited about that. What else can I say? I don't know what else to say. I have soccer later, and I'm, like, not looking forward to it. I was, like, really sad. I was really disappointed. But anyways, yeah, my mom is in Calgary now, so that's wonderful. My kids are good. We had birthday parties, and this weather has been decent. Oh my gosh, this is like terrible. Okay, there. I had my kids this week. Oh yeah, I'm running my Niverville race, so I'm so excited. I'm doing a 5K. It's not timed, which is great. Yeah, it's not timed. I'm so excited. But everybody ran the Manitoba Marathon this past weekend. So if you guys don't know, Manitoba Marathon is a pretty prestigious marathon. It's ran really well. I did my first 10K last year. But no running for me this year, just that 5K in Niverville. And then there is like a random beer run in August. I'm not going to drink any beer. But at the wedding, I know that I will have my steak because I picked steak, and I know that it's going to be good food there, and I'm going to eat it. I mean, I'm not going to pretty much eat the dessert because it doesn't serve me any purpose, but the meal itself, I'll for sure eat that. I'm really excited for the people that I'm traveling with. They seem like so excited to do this trip, and I think it's going to be really good to have different opinions. Because, like, again, me and Vanessa, we travel together. Hopefully I can get, I'm going to be vlogging. So that's what I wanted to say is I don't know for next week, how I will for sure vlog my weekend for sure. I just don't think I'll have a video for, like, my check-in. Like, that video, I would have to really edit it and make it ready to go if you guys want that. And then basically when I get back, there won't be a video until the week after. just because of traveling. Like I'm traveling right in between of my uploads. So there will be a week of like, yeah, I think I'm going to have to do it that way. I think when I get back, I won't be editing. I honestly will take a break just because there is no, it's hard because you got to pack, you know, you got kids, you know, busy life. And so it's just not going to be good. So, and I want to give you guys good stuff. And so like today is kind of whatever. But I'm excited. I have to go get apples. I forgot apples. But yeah, other than that, what else can I say? I'm really nervous about, what's going to happen on Saturday. Cause I'm going to be joining him. Oh yeah, I'm going to Karina's cabin. That's right, her lake. What else was I going to say? I'm really hot in here. I haven't put on my AC yet, and I don't know if I want to put my AC on yet. So I'm kind of like, So I'm waiting. My aunt has to tell me when she puts on hers. Because she's like, no, we haven't put it on. I was like, okay, can you let me know when you do? And she's like, yeah, of course. So I'm like, perfect. Oh my God, these have to be deep cleaned because they're so ratchet, except for these blush brushes. But anyways, that's not the point. That's not the point over here. But yeah, I'm really excited to become Beyond Yourself. It's been like a goal of mine. Next year, I'm going to run the half. Next year at the Manitoba Marathon, I'm going to run the half. I'm going to do it. And then, yeah, next year will be my running year. I don't think I'm going to do any bodybuilding shows. So that's good. I'm just going to focus this year on bodybuilding and this trip. And then I have a trip coming up to America. I'm so excited. And get all the snackies there. I'm so excited. And then, yeah, I don't know what else to say. Because I genuinely have to do this. And I have been, I've been neglecting it. And I know I shouldn't. But c'est la vie. It is what it is. Yeah. Okay, I'm surprised that this is working. I need to buy a new memory card, and I just genuinely don't want to spend money. I just genuinely don't want to spend any money because, like, my trip is coming up. Like, I already spent money on clothes because I know that the girl that I'm going with, she's not buying anything. And I just, like, I want to be that person that doesn't buy anything except for food because I know that I need food. And I don't know. This trip is going to be really weird. I'm going to take all the pictures, all the stuff, all the things, but I'm basically not going to buy anything. It's kind of weird. So yeah, but other than that, I think I'll leave this video now. Thank you guys so much for chatting with me and sitting down. All right, so my camera just likes to shut off. I think it's this memory card. So again, I will get a new memory card because I really love this camera and I really love like the setup. I love how it looks, all the things. My other camera is amazing for vlogging, all the things, but I'm going to leave it now. Giving me grief, but that's okay. So again, this is Leslie Nicole signing off from this video. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell when I upload next. Again, Tuesdays and Fridays, but there will be a week in between where I will not upload. So I do apologize, but it's because I'm traveling and I'm a one-man show, one-woman show. Okay. So I love you guys and we'll see you guys in the next video.